It's another great tip about YouTube advertising and YouTube Kids. We've told you in other of our shorts videos that frankly there is no submit button in 2021 to get on the YouTube Kids app. But by continuing to create great content for kids, using keywords that help your videos get found when you're programming the title and the description in the dashboard, the next step is going to be some advertising. You can grow your channel organically, and hopefully you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year. I'm gonna be honest, I work with lots of kids channels and I'm a professional working in YouTube SEO. It is a tough nut to crack. Don't let anybody tell you it doesn't take commitment, but it can be done. And with a little bit of help of some really great advertising strategies that also can save you money and not blow the budget, you too can have a great channel you can monetize and earn income from. Welcome back. We're still sharing some great advice about YouTube Kids and helping promote your content on YouTube. We know one of your goals is to monetize and start earning some income because frankly, your videos are better than the other guy. So let's talk about YouTube ads. If you've watched some of our other videos, I have talked about great ways you can optimize your video and get found in popular search results on YouTube. So when the kids from the Ask Kids segment are telling us the keywords they're using, your video can now appear in some of those search results when they hit the enter button. Great, but it doesn't stop there. Take some of your keyword research that you've done using Google Trends as well as YouTube. I hope you're keeping a log and a list of those keywords. When it's time to advertise your video and get some additional traffic to your channel, those keywords are really important. You will use these keywords when running your advertising to your YouTube channel. And here's the example I give all my customers. When your video is running on YouTube and you're targeting kids and kids content, do you want to pay for your video to run on Bob's Mechanic channel or How the Neighborhood Pizza Joint Makes a Pizza? No, you don't need your video running and your video 15-second skippable ad running on those channels, but you do want to run on other kids' channels. Stop, stop, stop. That doesn't mean the big name channels. We're not the only ones with this strategy, and unless you're planning to pay lots and lots of money per click, don't target the big channels. You can pay 1 to 2 pennies per click targeting kids' channels. We would run your ads just on kids' channels. Those channels have already done a great job creating a warm audience who's interested in kids' content. So instead of having the local insurance company ad or Joe Schmo down the street's tire shop ad running, your ad with kids' videos can be running on their channels. Yeah, I hope that's a great tip for you today. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and take some time away from your computer.